Hello. So we're gonna jump right into it. What I'm gonna be doing today is showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna start off with the LA Colors brow gel in dark brown. Okay. And I'm gonna take the little brush that comes with it and just brush through my brows. I need my mirror here. And I'm gonna dip into the gel and begin. I'm trying to get up close as possible. I'm recording this directly to YouTube, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to edit this at all, but then you'll get to see me from beginning to end, I guess. And all I'm doing right now is following the bottom part of my brow where the hairs stop, and then the excess that's left on the brush, I'm just filling in the rest of the brow. And I do like to extend the tail of my brow because I feel like it's a little short. And I'm just blending that into the brow. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and repeat on the top of the brow, following along top of the brow, short strokes. Well, I didn't do short strokes on the bottom, but you know, whatever. And it's kind of not early, so if you hear the birds outside, that's what they're doing. I don't really have much of a space where my hair comes up here for my arch, so I just kind of create it and go back through, and whatever's left on the brush, just run it through the brow. The end's looking a little light, so I need to darken that up a little. Trying to go for a natural-ish brow-ish. Okay, it looks decent, and whatever mistakes may be on the bottom, I can just clean it up with concealer. And I'm just going back through, filling in whatever I feel like I might have missed. All right, filled in. Oh, the camera's over there. Okay. Got that side filled in, so I'm just going to repeat on the other side, and then the brows will be complete. Now this brow is like so weird because it doesn't look anything like this one because they're like distant cousins. But I try to get them kind of close, but not super close. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And I really like the LA Colors gel. It stays, like it doesn't move. It reminds me of the NYX eyebrow gel in the tubes. That's what I usually use. But I don't like that after I use it a few times, like it doesn't last to me. It starts to get dry, and I don't like that. I feel like I'm wasting my money when I get it. It's a really good brow gel, but I just don't know if I'm doing something wrong that makes it dry out or what. But got this little pot from, I think I was at Family Dollar. I can't remember how much it was, but it wasn't very much. It wasn't over $5, I know that. Is it just me, or do you guys have to like not say anything when you do your brows? Like, it's hard for me to talk and fill in my brow at the same time. Is that weird? It's weird to me. You gotta excuse my voice. I'm just kind of just getting up. So. And excuse my bonnet. But these twists underneath look lower as shit today. So we're gonna keep the bonnet on. And I'm just checking, and I see that I made it too wide in the front, but I can correct that with concealer, so it's not a big deal. And I'm just going to take a little and fill in where I see it needs to be filled. All right. And hello brows. That took, 8 minutes. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now I'm just going to go in with some concealer and clean it up as soon as I can find my concealer, because I'm super unorganized and just woke up this morning and said, gonna make a video. So here I am. And I legit don't know where my other concealer is that I usually use for my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna use this one that I use for my face, because concealer is concealer is concealer. Well, I'm still looking for the other concealer. Okay, I'm done. All right. So I'm gonna take this Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. This is in the color Warm Tan, and I'm just going to use the applicator to clean up my brows. I'm gonna rub off the excess because I don't need all that concealer. I just need a little. Sorry. And I'm going to just clean up my brow. Now this I can't talk through. Oops. And now thin this brow out a little too much. That can be fixed. Let's fix it now. First, I'm just going to take a Q-tip and get rid of the excess so I don't get any of that concealer on my eyebrow brush. All right. All right. So not really fixing the brow, but well, yeah, I guess I did. But I'm going to take the applicator back out of the tube and go back over the top. Okay. Maybe I should have primed my face first. And just repeating on the other side. Okay. Now that I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. Carefully. And I'll just bring this down on my eye. And boom. She done. Brows done in under 15 minutes. I'd say that's a win. Well, usually it takes me longer. And I think I just screwed up the front of my brow, but whatever. Boom. Crisis averted. Alright. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my little show here. I am Trey Beauty, and if you like, you can comment. If you like, you can like the video. And if you like, you can subscribe. It's up to you. Have a good day. Bye.